Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you all are fine and doing some great fun. In this video, we will learn how to create a Word document. There are various methods by which you can create Word document. So the first method is right click on your desktop screen and here you can see option new, click on new and it will show further options in which you can see here is option Microsoft Word document. Click on this, the document is created, double click on this and it will be open. This is the first method by which you can create Microsoft Word document. Second method is, first I will close this. Second method is click on file button and here you can see the option new and here it will appear blank document. Click on create button, the new document is created. The third method to create a Word document is, you can see here in quick access toolbar, click on this button and new document will be created. And the fourth method to create new Microsoft Word document is, the short key is Ctrl plus N. So press Ctrl, keep it pressed and then press N and the new Word document will be created. So these are the four methods by which you can create Microsoft Word document. In the end, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.